Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A security engineer is reviewing event logs because an employee successfully connected a personal Windows laptop to the corporate network, which is against company policy. Company policy allows all Windows 10 and 11 laptops to connect to the system as long as the MDM agent installed by IT is running. Only compliant devices can connect. And the logic in the system to evaluate compliant laptops is as follows. Which of the following most likely occurred when the employee connected a personally owned Windows laptop and was allowed on a network? Option A. The agent was not running on the laptop, which triggered a false positive. Option B. The OS was a valid version, but the MDM agent was not installed, triggering a true positive. Option C. The OS was running a Windows version below 10 and triggered a false negative. Option D. The OS version was higher than 11, and the MDM agent was running, triggering a true negative. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. The OS was a valid version, but the MDM agent was not installed, triggering a true positive. Question 2. An organization is working to secure its development process to ensure developers cannot deploy artifacts directly into the production environment. Which of the following security practice recommendations would be the best to accomplish this objective? Option A. Implement least privilege access to all systems. Option B. Roll out security awareness training for all users. Option C. Set up policies and systems with separation of duties. Option D. Enforce job rotations for all developers and administrators. Option E. Utilize mandatory vacations for all developers. Option F. Review all access to production systems on a quarterly basis. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Set up policies and systems with separation of duties. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.